How we doing today? Michael Blueface Plus. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video, we're just going to be servicing my 4L80E transmission on my 1999 Chevy K2500 pickup, four-wheel drive. Transmission rebuilt. So when I added fluid to it, this is what I put in. So this is what I'm using. So you may want to just check with your manufacturer to see what fluids you may want to use. You may not even want to drain your pan fluid because you could possibly end up harming or causing your transmission to slip. So with that being said, take this information with a grain of salt. This is what I'm doing. So underneath there's a pan, there's a bolt. I'm going to loosen that bolt, drain out the fluid. There should be about 5 or 6 quarts in there. And all I'm doing is putting that back. My truck's been up here sitting for like 5 or 6 years. I've been hauling equipment back and forth to my property. So I'm about to go on another long trip. So we're putting new tires on it. We just did an oil change. So be sure to check that video out, how we did an oil change on here if you have an old Chevrolet and you're not sure, or you may, but check that video out. Also, we're going to clean it up, detail it, degrease the engine. So there's quite a few things I'm going to be doing, maybe sharing. So if you guys like content like that, please hit that subscribe button. If you're a Chevy fan, hit that subscribe button. If you're a Ford fan, well, keep on. No, I'm joking. Hit that like button. We're all family, y'all. Truck's a truck. Chevy, Ford, and Dodge, baby. Let's go. But anyway, let's get underneath this truck. Let's drain this fluid and let's get into this. Alrighty, so underneath the truck, this is your transmission pan. We got ourselves a 17. You may want to break it loose with a breaker bar. That's what I had to do. If you look here, I actually got a dent in here. I don't know if I was off-roading or something, but if anything, that's going to make less volume for in there. So I got to be careful. I don't put too much transmission fluid in here. So that's why I say to add a little bit and then go as you go. So we're going to see what this stuff's looking like in here. Nice red clean. Should be, but I just want to get this stuff out of here, put this in, and we're going to add some of that. So I'm going to let this drain out, and we'll put this pan screw back in, torque it in the spec, and we'll add some fluid. All right, we got her back torqued in. We're going to get out from under the truck and start adding some fluid. Alrighty, guys, so to add the fluid, just remove your dipstick and insert a funnel. You're going to need a very slim funnel. They have a better one, but this is the one that I had, so it's the one I'm going to use. And we're going to just put the 5 quarts in there and then fire it up, drive it around, and we'll check. And if we need to, we'll put that 6 quart in there. But that's what I'd recommend, so that's what we're going to do. Oh yeah, I love the smell of good old new transmission fluid. Oh yeah. Well guys, I definitely want to thank y'all for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and I'll do the best to answer them. So overall, y'all, that's how you do it. Just get down underneath, drain that pan, torque the screw back in there, top it off, and if you're trying to flush out your transmission fluid, you can maybe do that a few times or just take it to a transmission shop. But I just did the oil change, so this isn't replacing all the fluid. It's only replacing a small amount or less than half of it. But overall, not a bad idea for maintenance. Definitely want to keep my fluid as clean as possible. Like I said, it has been rebuilt. And if your transmission has not, and it's just old and you haven't serviced it, if you do this, you may be asking for problems. So just remember that, y'all. Just want to thank y'all for watching this video. Hope y'all learned something. Make sure to get that dipstick back in there. Make sure it's clean. You don't want to get no contaminants. And go ahead and fire it up. Let it warm up. Drive it around. Make sure when you're checking your level, you're checking it with the vehicle running and not off. It's different with motor oil. But I appreciate y'all watching this video. I hope y'all learned something. Please check out some other videos. Hit that like and subscribe button, boys and girls. We're trying to get 1,000 subs in here. We're more than halfway there. I appreciate y'all, and I hope to keep making videos for this, like this for you guys. I appreciate y'all. Take care. God bless. Peace.